Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to change leverage on Trading 212. First, open Trading 212, launch the Trading 212 app and sign in to your account. Open the stock or asset you want to check leverage for. For example, I'll use APQ Global. Next, view leverage details. Scroll down and tap More Stats. Here, you'll see detailed information about the stock. Scroll down further to the leverage section. Tap View All to see details like debt ratio, debt to equity ratio, and other leverage metrics. Next, understand leverage options. Keep in mind, all leverage settings are predefined by the company. You cannot manually adjust the leverage for a stock. If you want a different leverage, you'll need to choose a different stock that matches the leverage level you prefer. And that's it. That's how to change leverage on Trading 212. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.